We supply somewhere between 2 and 3 million pieces of linen a week, making sure that we deliver laundry to our customers when they need it every single day of the year.
Lots of people depending on our services. Customers that go into hotels, workers that go to work every day that wear our uniforms.
Having drivers that are behaving safely on the road is important for our reputation. We struggled with the previous system we used to actually have real-time visibility of what was happening.
We needed one consistent way of being to identify where our major risks were. What Samsara's given us is hard, fast, clear evidence to come to the right conclusions.
It gave us the ability to then use that data both in tracking deliveries, understanding where vehicles were, but the real change for us was when using it to coach our drivers.
Benefits around the safety aspect in reducing collisions by 38%, 95% in terms of speeding events, and a lot of that is down to our driver assessing and the coaching. But it's not just safety that you get the benefit from. We improved our fuel consumption by 14%. We reduced our R&M costs by 12%.
We've seen a higher MPG, which saves us money. That also reduces our carbon emissions, and behind that is the insurance savings. Our fleet availability is higher, and that means we are better at making deliveries on time.
Our plans for the future with Samsara is to really embrace that technology even further in all areas of our business. The route optimisation that's coming down the line, the customer notifications, ESG reporting, driver retention. We're nearly 2 years in, and I think we've barely scratched the surface. We just want to integrate Samsara much more into our business to be even better than we are today.